Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo here. Now today we are still in county number 047, that is Nairobi County, and we are in Karen, and this place is called the Karen WaterFront. Hey, I'm going to show you an amazing view of this place, tour of this place, what it has. I can see right at the entrance there's a car wash over there. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome and enjoy. The beautiful waterfront. So this is the parking over there of the waterfront in Nairobi. Now, if you want to come and just to move out of your comfort zone at home, out of that comfortable sofa set there, you can come inside here and do your shopping, do your thing right inside this amazing and very beautiful place. So the parking is packed full. Today being a Sunday, everyone comes to this place just to do the shopping. You can shop inside here. You can have so many things inside here. There are here many things. So we are going to go through and check some of them. I know we cannot maliza kila kitu, but some of them. Unanipiga picha. Some of them, ample parking. Tuingilie hapa. this is the waterfront here in Karen. So this is Karen town, inside the Karen, and this one here is a waterfall. So guys, as you can see, you can get inside there. I think maybe the reason they are calling this place a waterfall, I'll inquire that, is because of this water here. So things this is what you see, and this is what you will experience whenever you come to this place. So the other one here, that's the mall itself. This is where people can play. The other end, you can see that those white things over there, that one there, that's where people play, get into this, in touch with this water. And then inside there, where you can see that inside that greenish place there, they have fenced that place. That is where you can have your horse riding. So if you can do a horse riding, you can do it right there. So this is the beauty of this magnificent place, beautiful place, people. So I'm just around, I'm weather conscious. So I'm in my jacket. I'm in my jacket here, ready for anything, any weather that comes around. So this is Karen. This is Karen, the posh estate ever in Nairobi or in Kenya. So we are here. We have some Zulus here, people coming from one place to from different parts of this place. So if you are you want to be someone and you want to come and experience Nairobi, this is where you can experience Nairobi. So let me show you around, and you can see this place right here is it's a paintball fury. I don't know what that means. But I want to go inside and inquire. Come with me and know what this place is. This is the point. I don't know which game is this. What type of a game is this one? I want to check out. So the kids are here.
We don't need a picture of you for our identification.
Stop it! I bet.
What is that?
Bro, the back of
This is Theo tena hapa. Tunawazungusha tu kwa WaterFront here in Karen. Hata unasikia ndege ndio inalialia hapo. So WaterFront Karen, we are here. So thank you so much. Stick around. This is for riding some I don't know the name. I've forgotten the name. But this one here you can ride around, and so it's under renovation for now. But later, we shall come back and ride.